अपने बच्चों को ये वीडियो ज़रूर शेयर करना।
Hi, and basically I conduct the classes to guide the children for their studies. I had written my handwritten notes previously when Google Assistance was not available many years ago. I have one more channel, grammar channel. Whatever I had written earlier, instead of wasting my notes or my handwritten material to the old paper mart, I preferred it to show the children to submit on the YouTube channel so that many children, even the poor children, also can take the advantage of my notes. I am putting the link of my grammar channel in the description box. So if you are interested in, if you find any children who need the grammar assistance, you can join my other channel also. Please refer this and send it to the children and students and the other teachers also. I believe in the saying that sharing increases your knowledge. It can be used by the proper people. So today I am going to discuss about some characteristics of the animals or the comparison between the animals and human beings. So today's topic is, why do animals not get panted or tired in long running if compared to the human beings? Animals have the fast twitch muscle fibers and humans have the slow twitch muscle fibers. इसका मतलब कि ये जो मसल फाइबर्स यहाँ पे बताया है वो टेंडन होते हैं। टेंडन क्या होते हैं? जो मसल्स होते हैं वो जो बोन को जोड़ते हैं। अभी यहाँ पे हमारे जो दो बोन्स है, ये दो बोन्स को जो जोड़ने वाला होता है वो टेंडन होता है। जैसे कि हम लोग हाथ ऐसे हिला सकते हैं। तो ये जो मसल्स होते हैं वो एनिमल्स में बहुत फास्ट होते हैं, मीन्स उनकी गति तेज़ी से बढ़ाते हैं। और हमारे जो मसल्स होते हैं, जो स्लो ट्विच मसल होते हैं, वो फास्ट नहीं होते, उसमें से हमें एंड्योरेंस मिलता है। मीन्स हम लोग के पास ज़्यादा देर काम करने का स्टैमिना हमारे पास होता है। अगर आप कंपेयर करो, अगर कोई एनिमल दौड़ रहा है और ह्यूमन दौड़ रहा है, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ह्यूमन जीत जाएगा। जैसे कि हेयर एंड टॉर्टोइज का स्टोरी, तो जो धीरे धीरे चलने वाला है उसमें ज़्यादा एंड्योरेंस होता है और उसके मसल्स ज़्यादा देर तक काम करते हैं। इवन प्रेडिटर्स चेज द प्रे हु रन अवे फास्ट एंड दे हैव टू कैच इट अप with the same fast speed, so they have the fast twitch muscles. Cheetah's hind leg is the reach in fast twitch muscles. Cheetah can run very fast than the other animals. When we walk for some times or when we run for some time, we get the sweat, we exhaust. The same thing happens with the animals also. The animals also overheat their body after running or after walking for some time. If you have observed, the dogs also can gallop only for 10 to 15 minutes if they are in the running speed. Wolves and hyenas can run about 14 or 19 kilometers. Horses also can cover the distance about 20 kilometers a day. But as I said before, the human marathon runners can cover 100 kilometers at the moderate speed. Fast twitch fibers use anaerobic metabolism to create the fuel. Thus they get the strength for speeding. What is anaerobic metabolism? In anaerobic metabolism,
We say it as anaerobic.
You do not need oxygen. Without oxygen, the body creates the energy.
Aerobic metabolism, you need oxygen
to create the energy. If you know the story of hare and tortoise, it resembles the same. Slow twitch muscles use the energy very slowly and fairly, and it gives them the advantage to work for the longer time. Fast twitch muscles use the lot of energy very quickly, and then they get tired and they get fatigued and they need a break. The same thing happened with the hare in the hare and tortoise story.
The gist is,
human can outrun any animal in this planet, but he can't save himself if any predator is chasing him fast. The sweat is a secret helper which helps us to cool our body while doing the running activity. And we have 2 to 4 million sweat glands in our body. Even in previous video I had given the difference between the vegetarian and non-vegetarian, the functions of the plants and other animals, including human. So please watch that video also. I'm putting the link of that video in the description box. I'll come again in the next video with a new topic. I hope you like to explore the new topics with me. So see you in the next video. Bye.